Hello class and welcome to week 5 of ACLT 053. I hope that you're becoming more familiar with the course and how to navigate through the course and the expectations for this course. If you're looking at the calendar tab, and of course the calendar tab is on the left on the navigation bar in Blackboard, if you open it, you should be able to see the assignment for this upcoming week for the EDUC or education module. You're going to be working on a working introduction and sources assignment, very similar to what you worked on when you did the tech module in ACLT 053. I'm going to take a peek at it. We're going to go to assignments, and you will see the tab that says EDUC Working Introduction and Sources Assignment, and you should be able to see the link for it. If you open the link, you will see that it's very similar to what you looked at before. You're going to kind of give me an introduction, a working introduction, and your attention grabber, purpose of your topic, the thesis with your claims, and of course, a list of your sources that you will use. And that is all that I expect for this week in ACLT 053. Looking ahead, of course, you'll be working on your education essay in English 101, so keep this in mind that all of these pre-writing activities will help you with the actual writing of the essay when you begin to write it. I hope this was helpful.